Today, the whole world is in danger. Many parts of Nepal and Bharat have been affected by floods, thus endangering human lives. Countries such as Japan, Italy, and Indonesia have seen eruption of volcanoes. Mexico, Alaska, etc. have suffered enormous losses due to earthquakes. Forest fires in California, Myanmar, Sumatra, and Vietnam, etc., have severely damaged the environment. Millions have died due to corona pandemic, and it is still not under control. There is an anarchy-like situation in many parts of the world. All these events seem to point towards an impending World War III. During such adverse times, many essential commodities from food grains to water are not available. It also becomes difficult to fulfill our needs for electricity and fuel. You are likely to face such a situation in future. What preparations are required to protect ourselves? Let us first understand fundamental points to protect lives during the adverse times. Learn to use resources such as water, electricity, cooking gas, etc. economically. Reduce dependence on automatic machines and try to be self-reliant. Practice pranayam, yogasans, surya namaskar daily for good health. Complete all repair work of your house at the earliest possible. Invest your money in a safe option. Let us now understand arrangement of daily provisions for survival during the adverse times. The first is how to make provision for grains, vegetables, etc. to stave off hunger. Store grains such as wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, that is millet, etc. Use traditional methods such as exposure of grains to sunlight so that they can be preserved for longer period. Make adequate provisions to protect grains from pests. Store eatables which are healthy and can last long, such as khakra, pickles, fruit juices, jams, etc. Make laddus from wheat, gram flour, and other grains. Make different types of papads. Make and preserve dry rotis, that is Indian bread, made of jowar, bajra, ripe mango juice, etc. If possible, grow grains and rear cows, etc. Plant vegetables and fruit-bearing trees around your house. Let us now see the next point. What to do to prevent water shortage? Water may not be available regularly during the adverse times. Install water tanks so as to store water to suffice at least 10 to 15 days. Dig a well or a bore well if underground water is available. Make arrangements for rainwater harvesting, which can be used for house chores such as washing clothes, watering plants, etc. Let us now see the third point. What to do if electricity and fuel are in short supply? Considering the likelihood of shortage of cooking gas. Have a chulha, that is earthen stove, at home. Learn how to use a mortar and pestle and hand mill for grinding grains. Those who have cattle can install a gobar gas plant as per their convenience. Generate required electricity through solar panels. Learn how to use traditional devices, torches made of dry coconut branches, cloth torch, oil lantern, etc. Learn how to ride a bicycle, cycle rickshaw that can run on batteries, hand cart, horse cart, bullock cart, etc. Let us now see the fourth point. What should we do to face difficulties arising in the absence of essential commodities? Tooth powder, needle, thread, nails, hammer, seasonal things such as sun coats, umbrellas, woolen clothes, etc. can be stocked in adequate quantity. For bathing, instead of soap, start using flour of gram or lentil, multani mitti, etc. Use shikakai powder for washing your hair. Let us now see the fifth point. What should we do to remain healthy? According to your need, keep a thermometer, blood pressure apparatus, glucometer, pulse oximeter, hot water bag, small size mortar and pestle for powdering Ayurvedic medicines, a chair commode, etc. Plant medicinal herbs such as Brahmi, Krutkumari, Genda, Adusa, Airavati, and turmeric in your courtyard or balcony, etc. Learn different therapies such as acupressure, neurotherapy, color therapy, and other drug-free therapies. Learn first aid so that victims can be attended to till medical aid arrives. Medicines required on a regular basis may be stocked in advance. Let us now see the sixth point. What to do to protect yourself? Learn self-defense to protect yourself and family members from Reuters, goons, etc. Carry a pepper spray, sticks, nunchaku, etc. for self-protection. Let us now see the next point. Preparations required at the mental level to face the adverse times. Use the auto-suggestion technique to become stress-free and learn to be happy during the adverse times. For more information on this subject, please study Sanatan's text on removal of personality defects through auto-suggestions. Let us now see arrangements required for increasing sattvikta at the spiritual level during the adverse times. Keep a stock of sattvic products for spiritual protection, such as Sanatan's fragrance, Gomutra Ark, Kumkum, incense sticks, camphor, Sattvic pictures of deities, Sattvic name strips of deities, etc. Perform Agnihotra at sunrise and sunset. Recite Hanuman Chalisa, Chandi Kavach, etc. stotras in the evening with devotion, since these help create a protective sheath around us. Bhagavan Sri Krishna has said, Name bhaktah pranashyati. My devotees will never perish. Therefore, try to become a devotee of God, meaning perform spiritual practice on a regular basis. Do check Sanatan Sanstha's app Survival Guide. For more information, contact 93225 33595.